Hey, this is Bobby, and this is my setup. This is a 818 Krooked board, really good shape, really good board. This is probably a mix between Mark Gonzalez's art and a little bit of Tommy Guerrero magic. This is the first dip color board I got in a long time, so I figured I'd give it a shot. I don't see why it would be worse than a regular board. It only could be better. Let's sticker this sucker up. Pit Crew, Frederick, Maryland, the best skate shop in the world. That goes on first. Spitfire wheels, the best wheels on earth. Death Squad, motorcycle parts, clothing, really rad stuff. Dickies, been wearing them for a long time. Can't skate in jeans anymore. Grip tape. Grip tape's grip tape, right? I like Jessup, but I'll skate anything, which is a lie. It's a lie. Just grip it and rip it, right? Roughneck hardware. I like Allen key. Independent trucks, 149. And Spitfire, 51 millimeter, just the regular wheels, like the classics. Bones Swiss bearings, the best bearings. And I skate the Bones hard bushings. Don't pop the shields, don't do it. Your bearing life will decrease drastically, or it has for me. All right, it's all set up, let's go skate.